haven't eaten in a month. Now, I've been dry fasting all this week to get ready for this lecture. How can I do that if your body needs something? I'm getting what I need. Got plenty of it today. Sun and air. There it is. That's the key. So we need to get to the tropics as soon as possible so we can live this dream that we're talking about. Because that's where it is, where you can like 10-foot commute to your breakfast every morning at the tree where you go pick the mango off of it. That's what's happening. This place here, this is a dead cell. This is a death culture. And so what we're trying to do, and y'all are a part of this, we are a part of this all together, is we're trying to start a life culture. That's what this is today, is trying to start a life culture. And so, because this is a death culture around us. And we, in every fact, there ain't nothing good. Ain't nothing good that you could talk about around here other than what's happening right now in this backyard. The rest of this shit ain't nothing but mucus and pus all up and down the streets. All up and down the streets. Nothing but mucus and pus. Maybe something good. See, y'all have a hard time thinking, what's good?